days actually, and it's actually a bag of mixed emotions right now. Emotionally, we are totally excited and very happy, and spiritually, I would say we are feeling blessed. But at the same time, of course, we are very much physically tired and financially feeling broke. So it's a bag of mixed feelings, and all that I can see is, for a player like Ethan, who has really worked hard and come to this level and achieved so much, I would be very grateful if corporate sponsors or the government of Goa would come forward and support him, especially financially, because that's where we face the bottleneck. And his goal is to become one of the youngest grandmasters. But having said that, without financial support, that's near to impossible. And we hope that good angels come forward and support us for the ongoing journey.
As a father, sometimes we see when children are going towards sports, parents usually tell them to focus on studies. So, what is your message to other fathers who may probably have sons who are interested in sports?
Actually, it's complicated for me to even give a message to others, because I myself come from a background where we were focusing only on the educational side of things, and we would have loved the same for our children too. But the promise that Ethan showed and the passion that he had for this game, it looked almost criminal for us not to allow him to go towards that passion. So that is what we are doing. We are just supporting his passion, and we are taking him forward. Of course, we would also like him to continue doing good on the educational side. And his school, the King School, especially Director Lija Ma'am and Chairman Melvin Sir, they have been extremely supportive. Otherwise, it wouldn't have been possible for him to go on a trip almost close to 3 months now and achieve this kind of a feat. So it is only because of his full support that we are able to pursue chess as a sport professionally, as well as take his education side by side parallelly.
Father Edwin was and the mother are great friends. We have seen him grow. We have seen how he has made progress. आणि आज खरेंच ह्या गोंयकारांक आमच्या एक मोठो ऑनर की हो आज आयचो करंट वर्ल्ड्स यंगस्ट इंटरनॅशनल मास्टर की ही एक आमकां खरेंच उर्बा दिसता. म्हणून आमी सगळे हांगा एअरपोर्टार आयले. हो पळय आमचो एअर इंडियाचो स्टाफूय आसा. एअरपोर्ट ऑथॉरिटीकूय हांव थँक्यू म्हणटा. एअरपोर्ट ऑथॉरिटी ऑफ इंडिया, तांचो ड्युटी मॅनेजर, तांचे स्टाफ सगळे येवन ताका तांचो वेलकम मेळ्ळो आनी ताका एअरक्राफ्टांतल्यान ताणें घेवन सकयल हाडप. इट्स अ बिग ऑनर. आनी आय एम पॉझिटीव की ह्या फुडें हो भुरगो एका दिसाक जशें आमचे विश्वनाथन आनंद, गॅरी कास्परोव, बॉबी फिशर हीं आमी तेन्नाची नांवां आयकल्लीं, त्या भशेन त्या स्थानार पावतलो आनी आख्ख्या जगान नांव मेळयतलो. आनी एक गोंयकार भुरगो जेन्ना जगान नांव मेळयता तेन्ना सगळ्यांकूच उर्बात न्ही. सो ही हांव ताका बरें आवडयता. जशें चेस एसोसिएशन ताच्या फाटल्यान सदांच उबें आसा. आनी जशें महेशान सांगलां, ही सरकाराकूय आमच्या सरकाराकूय एक दोळे उगडपा सारकी की असल्या स्पोर्ट्स पर्सनाक ताणें सपोर्ट करपाक जाय. ते भलतेच कडेन पयशे घालता ते तशें जावपाक जायना. हांगा हो वेळ असले उलोवपाचो न्हय, तरी सुद्दां म्हाका म्हणचें पडटा. हे मागीर आमी केन्ना उलया पॉलिटिक्स राजकारण. पण आज सद्याक आय कॉंग्रॅच्युलेट इवन द गोवा चेस एसोसिएशन. हीज मदर आय थिंक इज ऑन द वे. तो पयलीं पावलो म्हणटा. सगळे सपोर्टर्स, एअर इंडिया स्टाफ, एअरपोर्ट ऑथॉरिटी ऑफ इंडिया स्टाफ, आय थँक देम व्हेरी मच फॉर द वेलकम दे हॅव गिवन.
सो ऑनर आमकां हो कित्याक हेज्या भुरगो आमच्या बरोबर आसा आनी हेजे एका पळोवन आनी भुरगे तयार जातले. आनी आमी मागता सगळ्या गोंयच्या लोकांक की अशें हेजे सदां हें करचें, उपोरबाय करची. आमी इतकेंच मागता की स्पोर्ट्स हो क्लीन आसचो, क्लियर आसचो, नथींग पर्सनल, नथींग पॉलिटिक्स, नथींग. असल्या भुरग्यांक लोकांनी प्रोत्साहन दिवपाक जाय. लोकां बरोबर गोवोरमेंटान प्रोत्साहन करून असल्या भुरग्यांक फुडें काडपाक जाय. आतां वी एक्सपेक्ट गोवोरमेंट टू सपोर्ट IIM Ethan was because their parents had struggled too much to bring him up. तेजो इतको तेजेर तेंच्यांनी खर्च केल्लो, इतको टायम काडलेलो. गोवोरमेंटा कडेन आमी मागता की गोवोरमेंटान आमकां असलेच भुरगे तयार करून दिवपा खातीर गोवोरमेंट सपोर्ट करचो.